how to recover your deleted photos on Snapchat My Eyes Only. If you have saved some photos in My Eyes Only but you cannot find them there, I'm going to show you how you can recover it. Alright, so first of all, open your Snapchat and go to your and once you go to your profile, you can open the settings by tapping on the top right. Once you have opened your settings, just scroll down until you find the support section and tap on I need help. Following this, you can just scroll down all the way down until you see this contact us option. Simply tap on it and you can submit a request. So you can choose this one that says I need help with Snapchat feature, and you can scroll down and select the memories options right here, and you can tap on still need help, just tap on yes, and you can tap using My Eyes Only, so you can submit a report from here. So just tap here and you can enter your username and email address and write a short description saying you cannot access your My Eyes Only or your photos have been deleted from there. So something like this. So you can type in something like this that says, "Hi Snapchat, I have my pictures in My Eyes Only, but now I can't find them there. I think they were deleted due to a bug. Please help me resolve this problem." And now, after you have entered your username and email address and your description, just tap on the submit, and Snapchat support team will get your message, and hopefully they will get back to you in a few days, bringing solution to your problem. And that's how you can recover deleted photos on Snapchat My Eyes Only. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.